Hello everyone. So first things first, we are going to prime our eyebrows so they can last. So this is just a little mixture that I made with eye primer and moisturizer. And you're going to need concealer, and you also going to need lip gloss. So you just want to add a little small amount of concealer. You don't need much. And just place it on the back of your hand. And you're also, with the lip gloss, you are going to add a small drop, just a small teeny drop of it. You don't want too much of it because you don't want your eyebrow to be too greasy. You just want to add a good amount for where the product can stick onto your eyebrow. So you're just going to mix everything in thoroughly. And I'm going to be using pink eyeshadow on my right eyebrow with an angled brush. And you're just going to dip that eyeshadow into the mixture that you created. And just go ahead and fill in your eyebrows. As you can see, it's already turned pink. You can already see the color. So just fill everything in like you normally fill in your eyebrows. Then after you fill in your eyebrows, you want to go ahead and clean everything up with the concealer in the next video. Hurry up, hello. There you go. Okay, just clean everything up with the concealer. And also what I forgot to do first after I filled it in was brush everything thoroughly into your eyebrows so everything can be evenly distributed. And just go ahead and clean up your eyebrows like you normally do, and you'll be done with that part. Okay, so here's another way to color your eyebrows. So I'm going to be using a NYX white jumbo pencil. And I'm also going to be using a lighter. So all I'm doing is just melting the pencil and carefully place it on the back of my hand. Be very careful with this part. It is hot. Okay. So I'm going to be using a purple eyeshadow with a clean angled brush. And I'm just going to put that eyeshadow into the white cream mixture. And I'm going to apply it to my eyebrow. And you see it goes on smoothly because the pencil is already a cream. I just decided to melt it and put it on the back of my hand for an easier application. But the color was a bit too light for me, so I just decided to pat on some more eyeshadow to darken it up a little bit. And you're just going to go ahead and brush everything in evenly. And go ahead and clean up your eyebrows with the concealer. And blend everything out. And I just went ahead and added some eyelashes on afterwards. But those are the two ways that I know how to color eyebrows. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.